For decades, pool lighting has been used to enhance the look and ambience of backyards and resorts all around the world. But nothing has come before that can match the reliability and luminosity of Waterco's innovative new Britestream MK5 LED lights. It's the latest breakthrough in pool lighting technology. Using just 15 watts of energy, these ultra-efficient next-generation white or multicoloured LED lights provide pool owners with a brighter solution in a range of pool configurations, including concrete, tiles and fiberglass. Built tough and designed to be compatible with any volt system, Britestream MK5 lights can also be easily retrofitted into existing pools, delivering a spectacular lighting solution that everyone can enjoy. LED lights have revolutionised pool lighting around the world. However, competitor products often contain hotspots. Hotspots are areas where direct light is concentrated and they can detract from the overall visual appeal of the light. Traditional LED lenses restrict the light output to unflattering hotspots. But Waterco's new BrightLux diffuser lens is a revolutionary design feature incorporated into the new Britestream Light range. Radiating light throughout the entire circumference of the lens, BrightLux delivers a 50% increase in light transmission and an impressive boost in colour saturation. This combination of brightness and even light diffusion makes Britestream the first choice for landscapers, pool designers and anyone wanting to add more wow factor to their pool. And with new installation kits and replacement kits available, it's easier than ever to experience the Britestream difference in your pool. Designed as a multi-voltage solution, it can match seamlessly with 12, 24 or 32 volt systems to either replace halogen or older LED lights. In fact, upgrading couldn't be simpler. The wall-mounted replacement light comes with a universal quarter-turn twist lock adapter plate designed to adapt the Britestream to most major pool lighting brands, and a clever IP68 electrical connector to simplify the installation process without any need to drain the pool. Available in wall-mounted, concrete niche or fiberglass mount configurations, the Britestream will make light work of your new or existing pool. And you'll enjoy the extra confidence of a 2-year warranty, superior to others in the industry. So join the new revolution in pool lighting and get ready to enjoy smart, long-lasting, programmable LED lights that feature enhanced colour, greater luminosity and more energy efficiency than ever before. With Waterco's Britestream and BrightLux technology, the future looks bright. Discover the difference today.